When everyone thought Tesla was about to release FSD Beta version 11 to the early access group of 160k Tesla owners, Tesla began distributing a bug fix update version 10.69.3.1. We're making good progress. We're still on track for a wide release next month, Elon Musk said in response to a question about the FSD Beta version 11 wide release ETA. The Tesla FSD Beta version 11 is now expected to be released in December. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at everything you need to know about Tesla FSD Beta 10.69.3.1. Tesla began broadening the release of full self-driving Beta 10.69.3.1 on Friday, and many customers who had been waiting for the software are now able to use it. Elon Musk announced the general availability on Friday. He also stated earlier in November that Tesla would broaden the release of version 11 of the software before the Thanksgiving holiday in the United States. Tesla Joy, a YouTuber, pointed out that Tesla owners who purchased and subscribed to FSD this year were being allowed into the beta program after months of waiting. By wide release next month, do you mean to those who are currently in beta or to anyone who purchased FSD who will not have to do a safety score? Asked Tesla owner Zach. Elon Musk replied that it was the second half of the question. One Tesla owner confirmed on Twitter that they received FSD Beta with an 81 safety score over the weekend. Joy mentioned in a statement that she's pleased that several customers who have been waiting to participate in the beta program are now able to do so. Many new FSD customers and subscribers have been disappointed about being denied access to the beta program in the last year. Many people complained that Tesla took their money but never delivered. Elon initially stated that FSD Beta would be available to those with a safety score of 80 or higher when the version 11 Single Stack is available. So I'm surprised that the wide release occurred earlier than planned, Joy said. I'm glad these customers who have been working on their safety scores for FSD Beta can finally experience this amazing technology. With the addition of new beta drivers, their data points will help Tesla's neural net and FSD algorithm grow and improve, making the technology even better. This is how Tesla will be able to accelerate the development of Level 5 autonomy for robo-taxis, she added. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, several Tesla YouTubers have been constantly posting videos of their FSD beta testing. Chuck Cook has been one of the most visible because of his expertise in testing unprotected left turns and other scenarios. He also rose to prominence after being mentioned in the Tesla FSD Beta 10.13 official release notes. The double green light issue, according to Chuck, is still present in the most recent FSD Beta version 10.69.3.1. When confronted with two green lights, the car first slows down and then re-accelerates, which Chuck observes to be very different from how a human would behave in a similar situation. Chuck also tested a few more scenarios, such as his Jacksonville, Florida Memorial Park unprotected left turn, narrow unmarked roads, creep limit, and geometry. The release notes for FSD Beta version 10.69.3.1 are the same as those for 10.69.3. Musk announced the news on Twitter, his newly acquired social media platform. Tesla full self-driving beta is now available in North America to anyone who requests it from the car screen, assuming you have purchased the option, Musk writes. Congratulations to the Tesla Autopilot AI team on reaching a significant milestone. This historic moment occurs just days after Tesla released the latest version of FSD Beta, version 10.69.3.1, which is version 2022.36.20. It includes updates to features such as a redesigned energy app, alternate routes, blind spot camera location, and more. This version is now being distributed to anyone in North America who requests it. To obtain FSD Beta, simply request it in your vehicle under Controls, Autopilot. There is no longer a minimum safety score to achieve, and anyone who purchased or subscribed to FSD Beta in the United States or Canada should receive it shortly after requesting it. Tesla's next FSD Beta, version 11, which is still being tested internally, could be made available to some external testers as early as today. Musk confirmed on Twitter a few days ago that version 11 would be expanded before Thanksgiving. FSD Beta version 11 includes a unified tech stack for city and highway autopilot use and is scheduled for a general release next month. When it comes to FSD Beta updates, Tesla starts with employees for testing and then expands as data is collected and bugs are fixed. Then, based on a variety of factors, Tesla expands distribution to include more owners. This may soon change as FSD Beta is integrated into all Tesla software builds. This is possible with FSD Beta version 11. It's a day that many FSD Beta owners have been anticipating, as well as a watershed moment for Tesla. However, it appears that we will soon all have access to the next major update, FSD Beta version 11. Tesla began the initial rollout of FSD Beta version 11 on November the 11th at 11:11 p.m. PST. The update was extremely exciting, in part because it was the first iteration of Tesla's full self-driving beta that used a single stack. Tesla, on the other hand, has been extremely cautious with the release of FSD Beta version 11. After several days, many FSD Beta testers had yet to receive the much-anticipated update. A growing number of Tesla owners who purchased the full self-driving suite for their vehicles have reported receiving FSD Beta access. This was despite some owners claiming that their vehicles had less than 100 autopilot miles and a safety score of less than 80. While reports of version 11 being received by Tesla's veteran consumer FSD Beta testers have yet to be published, a growing number of Tesla owners have shared on social media that their vehicles are receiving an update that allows them to access FSD Beta. However, it was FSD Beta version 10.69.3.1. Some Tesla owners have reported that FSD Beta 10.69.3.1 has been installed on vehicles that are rarely used or have a safety score of less than 80. This included a driver who regularly drives his Race-spec Model 3 performance on the track, despite having a low safety score of 62. While Tesla appears to be rolling out FSD Beta 10.69.3.1 to new users, longtime FSD Beta program participants are still waiting for version 11 to be rolled out to their vehicles. Overall, Tesla's strategy for the wide release of FSD Beta appears sound, as it would allow new users to test a version of the software that has already been tested by veterans. Longtime users, on the other hand, can try out the system's most recent and ambitious version yet. For the time being, it appears that the wide release of Tesla FSD Beta will involve the distribution of version 10.69.3.1. Elon Musk previously confirmed that the FSD Beta version 11, which uses a single software stack for both city and highway driving, began rolling out earlier this month. This version of FSD Beta is also expected to be released soon, though it will most likely be limited to veteran testers who have been with the program for years. Tesla's FSD Beta is one of the company's most important projects. Previously, the CEO stated on a podcast that Tesla's ability to solve self-driving problems would be the difference between Tesla being worth a lot of money or worth basically zero. If FSD Beta is widely released, it will provide Tesla with a lot more training data, which will help the company develop and improve the system even more. Tesla owners who are just getting started with FSD Beta should exercise extreme caution when using the system. While FSD Beta allows vehicles to navigate both city streets and highways, it is not yet a hands-free autonomous driving solution. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. But before that, we'd like to know, what are your thoughts about the FSD Beta 10.69.3.1? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.